Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix car dealer simulator game crashing or crashing in startup, showing black screen, lagging, freezing, or low FPS issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, type -d3d11 and then try to play the game and check if it helps. If the issue still occurs, then remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for some time, and after the verification is done, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next solution. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to check if the game is listed or not. If not, then click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once the game is added, select the game application, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK. And after that, launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to disable all mods. So you are suggested to remove all kind of mods if they are enabled, as they can be the reason for crashing problem. So if the mods are enabled, you are suggested to disable them and then check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. Sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue and you can be into the game once again. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now try to launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, you have to click on it to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it and you have to wait for some time unless you get set up successful message. After this, close it and now restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch the Steam and click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will search if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks or apps. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Task Manager. Now under Processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You have to select them and right click on it, click on End Task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So in that case, if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay. For that, you have to go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows Security. Now here you have to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Go below, click on Manage Settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After doing this, close it. Again go to the Windows search, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check. But remember to come back again and enable this in both public and private network settings. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics cards. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on Add a Desktop App. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the, now here you have to select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once it is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Car Dealer Simulator game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall Car Dealer Simulator game once again, and then click on play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Car Dealer Simulator game crashing at startup, showing black screen, lagging, pressing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.